So hey guys, in today's video I am going to try and test my new tattoo machine. This is a rotary machine that I bought online. So as you can see, I've already opened it when it arrived because I just wanted to make sure that the item that I ordered online is what really is the item inside of this box, because I've watched a video before wherein this certain person ordered something online, and when it arrived it wasn't the item that he really ordered online, because when he opened the box it's just a bar of soap inside the box. So you know not get victimized by that kind of scam. A lot of scams going out on the internet today, so basically I just opened it to look at what is inside, and yeah, what I ordered is really the item that really came. So this is a rotary machine that I ordered online for like 1,000 pesos. So I am going to test this machine that came, if it's durable, it's good for, if it's flexible. I'm going to test its functionality, the size, the weight. I think that's the thing that I needed to test on this machine. So before everything else, I would just like to apologize if you happen to hear again some noises around me. My tattoo station is just beside the road, so yeah, you'll happen to hear barkings of dogs and cars passing by, so I apologize for that. Anyways, let's jump into the machine. So I ordered a rotary machine. Oh my god, right here, as you can see. I'm pretty impressed. It's kind of heavy. It's heavier than I expected. It's really small, but it's heavy. It comes with a free rubber nipple and an Allen wrench, as you can see right here. Let me show you. Right there. Put it here. And it also comes with a free RCA cord. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to test this machine, and I am going to put this into a session. I'm going to have a client today, so before the client comes I'll be making this video. For this part of the video I am going to test this machine with its functionality in both cartridges and standard needles. So I have here a standard needle and a cartridge, and this is my most durable machine. This is the machine that I always use when I'm working on large piece, because it's very durable. It works well. I love how this machine works. And cartridge grips, my power supply is right here. Going to turn it on. It's running for like 8 volts. So I'm going to try this machine. Right there. As you can see, it works really well, and it's really silent. But I observed a amount of vibration. So I'm going to test this with a cartridge and a standard needle. So here it goes, guys. I have already attached the standard needle on this machine. This is a 9 round shader, 9RS. So let's give it a try. So you can see It works well with a standard needle. It also has sounds now other than the first try where there's still no needles yet attached. So it functions well with standard needles. So I'm going to try this with cartridge needles. So here it goes, guys. I've already attached this with a cartridge needle. This is a 11 Magnum. So let's give it a try. As you can see, it won't work with cartridge needles. Sometimes it just have some hard starting. Look what it's doing. Fair enough. As you can hear, it sounds louder than using the standard needles. Well, anyways, I am going to use this on my session, so I won't be able to, give you right now my final review on this machine because I haven't used it yet. I'll be back when I've already used this one. Okay. So I am back again, guys, and I have already put this machine into an actual session. There are things that I don't like about this machine, and there are things that I like. So I'm going to say the things that I like about this machine. I'm using this in a standard needle, and I like it more on a liner needle because it's kind of heavy. So it's heavier than my old machine. As you can see, my old machine is much bigger in size, but this small machine is much heavier. It's solid steel. I like it using liners because it helps me pack more ink easier on fleshier areas, on areas that are hard to get the ink penetrated on the skin. So yeah, I kind of get used of heavy machines because I started with coil machines. Coil machines are much more heavier than these. So I also have things that I don't like about this machine. First is that it's really shaky. When it turns on, it's running for like 8 volts. It's kind of like shaking. I don't like it using a shader needle because I find it harder to pack ink on the skin if I'm using a shader on this, but it's easier if I'm using this as a liner. And also, one of the main concern I think that I can say about this machine is that, as you can see, there are pocket holes right here, there are holes right there, and I'm really concerned about that because it's really hard to clean those areas. Our number one concern as tattoo artists is cleanliness. So it adds another work for us if the machine is hard to clean, because you might get some blood stains there, and there, and it's really hard to clean those areas. So it's going to add hours and hours of cleaning after every session, and it's time consuming. So I think those are all the things that I need to share about this machine. Is on the screen, as you can see. On the other side, I'm using this machine as the liner, and on the other side I'm using this machine as the shader. It works well for me. It's just that I think I haven't yet adjusted myself into this kind of machine. So I would say that if you're going to buy this machine, you would really get what you've paid for, and it serves its purpose. For me, I love it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video on the things that I shared to you. Also guys, if you wanted more contents like this, please subscribe, please hit like and turn on notification bell to get notified if I'm going to upload more videos about reviews, about DIYs in tattoo. So yeah, I'm going to share to you some of the things that I know about tattoo. This would be really helpful for our beginners, and thank you for watching guys. See you again on the next video. Bye.